I'm Lori Johanneson with App Properties Christie's International. I'm standing in one of my listings with the interior designer who put this whole house and the vision of the clients together, which is going to make it perfect for the next owner to enjoy.
I am Casey McCormick with Casey McCormick Interiors. When we started on this house, it was an old farmhouse that really needed a lot of love and remodel. So what we ended up doing is taking this very traditional home and trying to move it into a more contemporary transitional feel.
As you walk through, there's so much thought that went into it. I believe and feel that you're a mind reader. You can hear what somebody is saying and truly bring it to life. And a lot of people, even though they see things in a magazine and they want their house to look like it, unless you're building that exact house, it's really hard. But having somebody talented like Casey come in and make sure that what you're doing is done correctly, it's going to save you money and you're going to be super happy with the results.
I love you.
It's a mess.